Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making something crunchy to start a movie and we are going in for plantain chips. Join me and let's make this together. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. In this recipe, I'll be using 4 plantains and they are nicely washed already. So I'll go ahead and cut off this part and then I make a line through the plantain like this to make a way, and then I do the rest with my hand. You don't need to use knife to peel the plantain, okay? Just use your hand. It's very easy to take out the back. And we are done taking out the back. I'll go ahead and discard these ones. We don't need that. This is the grater I'll be using to slice my plantains. I'll be using this side to slice the plantains. You can also use just knife to slice your plantain. I know some people are very good at that. They can use just knife to slice and it will appear as if they use a slicer. So choose what you have, okay, and what you feel comfortable with. So with this last plantain, I'll be slicing it in a circle form, just like this. And we are done here. I have my oil on fire. To that I add salt and then I start to dissolve the salt. You can also dissolve the salt in water and then you add the solution to the oil, okay? But if your salt is too powdered, you can just add it straight to the oil, all right? Now I add in the plantain. Before you add in the plantain, please make sure that the oil is well heated, okay? So we will take a rest from time to time. You want to come in and then you give it a stir. If you are still with me, my name is Mariam. Please tell me your name and where you are watching me from so that next time I will give you a special hug on my next video. When your plantain starts to feel dry, that means that it's ready to be removed from the oil. So at this point our plantain is ready. I go ahead and remove it from the oil. Ta-da! We are done. Now check the crunchiness. In case you want something crunchy to start a movie, trust me, plantain chips is not a bad idea. Hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.